Boudicca, also known as Boadicea or Boadicea, is a legendary figure in Scottish history. She is known as the warrior queen who led a rebellion against the Roman occupation of Britain in the 1st century AD. Her story is one of bravery, determination, and an unyielding spirit that has inspired generations of Scots. Boudicca was born into a noble family in East Anglia, a region in eastern England. Little is known about her early life, but it is believed that she was trained in warfare and strategy from a young age. She married a tribal leader named Prasutagus, and together they had 2 daughters. In 43 AD, the Roman Empire invaded Britain, and began its conquest of the island. The Romans brought with them their advanced technology, building techniques, and military might, and quickly established a series of forts and military installations throughout the region. As the Romans expanded their territory, they encountered fierce resistance from the native tribes, including Boudicca's tribe, the Iceni. In 60 AD, Boudicca's husband Prasutagus died, and the Romans seized his lands and property, leaving his family with nothing. In response to this injustice, Boudicca rallied her people and led a rebellion against the Roman army. She quickly gained the support of other tribes in the region, and her army grew to over 100,000 warriors. The rebellion was marked by a series of brutal battles, with the Iceni and their allies using their knowledge of the terrain to gain the upper hand against the Roman army. Boudicca's forces burned several Roman cities to the ground, including Colchester, London, and Verulamium, modern-day St. Albans. Despite her early victories, Boudicca's rebellion was ultimately crushed by the Roman army. In a final battle near what is now Birmingham, Boudicca's army was outnumbered and outmatched by the Roman forces, and she was forced to retreat. Boudicca is believed to have died shortly after the battle, either from injuries sustained in the fighting or from suicide. Her legacy, however, has endured for centuries. Boudicca is remembered as a symbol of Scottish resistance against foreign invaders. Her bravery and determination in the face of overwhelming odds have inspired countless Scots over the years. Her story has been retold in countless books, poems, and songs, and her statue stands proudly on Westminster Bridge in London, a testament to her enduring legacy. Boudicca is an important figure in Scottish history, a warrior queen who stood up against the might of the Roman Empire and inspired generations of Scots with her bravery and determination. Her legacy continues to inspire people to this day, reminding us of the power of resistance against oppression and injustice.